Groceries is the name assigned to this particular list. Okay, it's used to assign a label. So this way I can get hold of this list, empty list, using its name, right? Now we can start populating our list, groceries, using the append method. Populating means we can start filling up our list. So right now groceries is empty. Let's do this. Append in English, it means to add. So we are going to add these guys. Groceries dot append, oh, bread. All right. Groceries dot append milk. Groceries dot append cheese. Okay, now let's look at groceries once again. We have populated our empty list, this empty list, with 3 things. Okay, now here is another way. Oh, by the way, what if we want to append bread once more? Okay, now look at groceries. It repeated. So list has no problem repeating things. Well, you built it one item at a time, right? You started with an empty list. Using append, you kept enlarging your list. Here is another way of generating the same list. Let's same looking list, groceries 2. Well, why don't I just say bracket bread, milk, cheese, bread again, right? Does it have any problems? No. Looks perfectly fine. Mind you, this is a new object. It's not the same as the previous object. These are 2 different objects. Okay, they looks the same, but so what? Okay, now you can build any list you like. All right, so build any list you like, and here are various methods. I want you to use your list for these methods. We have already used data is the list, okay, generic name for the list. My list is called groceries, your list may be something else. So data append we used. Let's try data dot insert some number, some value. So for instance, so by the way, take time to read what's written over here. Let's say not data, my list name is groceries. Okay, insert. Suppose I want to say right now my groceries looks like bread, milk, cheese, bread. The position, by the way, index here is 0, index here is 1, 2 and 3. So in place of cheese, I want to insert something else. Okay, so suppose I want to insert yogurt here. So 0, 1, 2. So I'm using location 2 or index 2 and I want to insert yogurt. I did that. How does your groceries look like? Where I had cheese, now I have yogurt. Cheese and bread got pushed aside. Okay. What about data dot extend another list? So I do have another list. What is my other list? Groceries too. So suppose I do that. What does it do? So I took groceries dot extend another list, groceries too. Now let's look at what happened to groceries. Oh, look at that. This looks like groceries. And this looks like groceries too. You understand? In other words, the second list entirely got appended here. Okay? So, I showed you how to use these three methods. Now you will have to try and play with every one of these methods. Okay? The first collection are mutators, that is, they have changed my list. Every time I use any of these methods, I'm changing my original list. The second collection are accessors. They give you back information about your list. For example, let me find the length of groceries 2. It's 4. There are 4 things in groceries too. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about length of groceries? It's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You understand? It gives me the most recent length. Data I. So what does that mean? So what is the 5th index item in groceries? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should give me this 5, this bread, right? Suppose I say groceries 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should give me milk. There it is. So on. So in your list, whatever list you create, make sure you try every single one of these. Unless you try, you will not understand what they mean. Try every one of these. Okay? Until my next video then.